Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Look, nothing up my sleeves. I'm going to ruffle through the deck and say stop whenever you'd like.
Stop.
Okay, this is your card. Do you have your card memorized?
I do.
Okay, now look, your cards are on the bottom, and your cards are on the top. But your card is selfish and likes to rise to the top. So if you just give it a couple seconds, it will rise to the top. Is this your card?
Yes, it is.
Okay. Now that I have your attention, you're probably, we can get what you're going to learn today, which is a card trick. Now you're thinking, why do I have to listen to this? Well, later, when you have a special someone or a boss you have to impress, this will come in handy. First, you have to learn how to do a few sleight of hand movements. First part is to force a card. You force a card by ruffling through the deck and having them say stop. Then you take the card off the top. You should memorize the card on top anyways. Second, you have to do a double lift, which is where you show someone that looks like the top card, but it actually isn't the top card, it's the second card. Finally, you have to know how to make it all look natural by doing a bigger motion to cover up the little motions that you do. If you need a more in-depth tutorial on how to do this, you can go to youtube.com or thecardtrickteacher.com. Second, you need to know how to do different variations. You can try ones. You can try different ones. All you need to do is make up your own story to go along with it. Like, I could say that your card is lighter than all the others and it wants to rise to the top. Or you can read someone's mind by forcing a card and then guessing the card. Just make up ones until you find a story that fits you very, very well. If you want to, and just practice that story over and over until it looks magical. If you want to see some other people's variations, you can go to youtube.com. Finally, you have to practice. First, practice in front of a mirror or videotape yourself. Once you have that down pat, you can practice in front of friends or family so they don't haze you if you mess up. Finally, once you have it down, you can go out and try it on strangers and watch their faces in amazement. For tips on practicing, you can go to youtube.com or thecardtrickteacher.com. Today I taught you how to do Amazing Magic Trick. I also taught you how to do some sleight of hand techniques, different variations, and how to practice. There is always going to be that awkward situation where this is going to come in handy.